Good morning to my dear students. Today we will learn how to open an existing document. To open an existing document, first you have to I will open the MS Word, and in MS Word I will open existing document, means already I saved in this device. Then click on open, click on file tab, then click on open option. You will get here open dialog box. You have to search your file name here. My file name is speech. I will open this, click on open. In this way you can open an existing document. Next, how to close a document. Click on the file tab and click on the exit option. In this way you can close the MS Word. Okay. Now sometimes whatever you type here, sometimes here asking closing time. Now I type here something. I am typing here something, and now I want to close this. Click on the file tab and click on exit. After clicking on the exit option, here is one message is coming. Do you want to save change you made to document? Means if you try closing a document without saving, MS Word display this message box and asking if you would like to save this file. If you have not saved the file, this box will coming in MS Word. First you have to save, then you can close the document. Okay, I don't want to save, that's why I am clicking here don't save. Then it will close the document. Okay. Next is the editing text. How to edit the text? For that I will open MS Word, and in MS Word I am opening speech. Okay. Now you can see here you can also make changes to your document, and it is called as editing the text or editing the document. Suppose I want this document, first line is in bold, size of the text is big. Like this I can change from here. I can change the style also from here in this way. Okay. Next is the selecting text. Before making any change to the text, it is important to select the text. The selecting text is highlighted in a blue. You can see here selecting text is highlighted in a blue. Okay. The empty space at the that is the left hand margin of the text is known as the selection bar. It is the selection bar. You can select from here. You can see. You can select from here easily. It is the selection bar. This is the selection bar. You can select text using the mouse or a keyboard, both. One by one we will see now. Selecting text using mouse. You can select any part of the text by dragging the mouse pointer over here in a selection bar. Otherwise, if you want to select the word, double click on any word like this. You can select the word in this way. Simple word you can select. Line of text. If you want to select the line of text, simply you have to click here on the selection bar. In this way you can select the line of the text. Paragraph. If you want to select the paragraph, you have to triple click anywhere on the paragraph or double click on the selection bar to the left of the. In this way you can select. Okay. Entire document. triple click anywhere on the selection bar. Now selecting text using keyboard. If you want to select the text using keyboard, we will see now. Yes, okay. It is your keyboard, on-screen keyboard. Place the cursor to the left of the text from where you want to start the selection and press different keys to make different selection. Now one by one we will see. First, one character towards right to the cursor. Means if you want to select one character, only one word, then you have to simply your cursor should be here, beginning of the line, and press shift key and this arrow key. Then you can select your full line also, and then again don't leave in this way. Next, one character toward left of the cursor. Then you have to keep your cursor here and press this arrow key. Shift key and then this arrow key. In this way you can select the text. One line up means if you want your cursor is here, and if you want to select this upside matter, then what you have to do, shift and this up arrow key. Then if you want to select line below of the line, that matter, you have to click on the shift and then this arrow key, down arrow key. In this way you can select. Till the beginning of the line, shift plus home key. Means if your cursor is on the end position and if you want to select this full line immediately, then what you have to do, shift and home key. Okay, and then end of the line, then keep your cursor here, shift and end key. In this way you can select the text. If you want to select till the beginning of the document, full document if you want to select, then press the shift plus control plus home key. Then we will click on the shift, then plus control plus full home key. Okay, shift, control and home key. Beginning of the document till no. That's why our cursor we want at the end. That's why shift plus control plus home key. Then full your speech will select. And if you want to select the till the end of the document, then your cursor want here beginning of the line and then shift plus control plus end. It will select the full text. In this way you can select full text, full document in a MS Word. And one is their entire full document, control, and simply you have to press the control. Entire document, simply you have to press the control and A. Full your document will select. In this way you can select the document with the help of mouse and keyboard. Thank you.